In a sun-drenched meadow, a black, a brown, and a white bullock graze peacefully, their gentle movements creating a serene tableau. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting a mosaic of light and shadow on the tranquil scene. From the forest's edge, a powerful lion watches with hunger, its eyes fixed on the oblivious trio. The lion attempts a charge, but the bullocks stand shoulder to shoulder, their united front forcing the predator's frustrated retreat. In the vast meadow, a lone lion stealthily approaches a black bullock, isolated from its herd. The lion whispers insidious lies, claiming, "The brown and white bullocks secretly dislike you and mock your dark color." Initially skeptical, the black bullock's eyes begin to reflect growing confusion and hurt as the lion's deceit persists. The bullocks gradually drift apart, grazing in isolated desolation, the once vibrant meadow now stark and empty. In a tranquil meadow, a lone brown bullock grazes, unaware of the danger lurking in the forest shadows. With explosive force, a lion bursts forth, its powerful form hurtling through the air, shattering the peace. Terror grips the meadow as the lion's fearsome roar sends birds scattering and drives a white bullock into flight. A black bullock stands trembling in the meadow's heart, awaiting its fate as the lion advances, eyes gleaming with predatory triumph.